guys, Olivia here, and I'm here to teach you the running man. The running man is probably the best move to start with for shuffling, and it's literally just pretty straightforward. So what you're gonna do to do the running man, you're gonna separate your feet out. So you're gonna want probably about like a foot in between your feet, and you're gonna be just having, let's say, your right leg right in front of your left. So you're gonna go out. Something important to remember with the running man, with my style of the running man, I always stay primarily on the balls of my toes, like on my feet, to where I can keep my weight here, and it makes it a little easier for me to balance. If it's hard for you to balance, you might have your feet a little too far apart or too close. So you gotta find kind of that balance to where you can keep your weight centered. You're gonna go out, so your right foot's in front. Then to transition, you're literally, this is made up of 3 steps. So step 1 is out with your right foot. To transition, you're gonna hop back to the center with your right foot. So you're out, hop to the center with your right. So you're gonna slide this literally just right underneath you. And as you slide this foot to the center, you're just lifting this back foot up to where everything is centered. So you're out, and then you're gonna slide this right foot to the center, bring this left foot up. Out, up, out, out, center. So to go to the next side, you're literally just gonna put your left foot down, and you're gonna take this right foot that's down, and you're gonna just slide it back. So you're gonna create that same, like, kind of triangle form with the other side. So you're here with your right, you have all your weight on your right leg, your left foot's up. You're gonna put that left foot down and slide your right foot back at the same time. So you have right, up, left. So to transition from the left side, you're literally gonna do the same thing, just instead of going on your right leg, you're going on your left. So you're gonna slide this left foot back to the center, bring your right leg up, right like that. So you're here, slide the left foot back, or slide the left foot underneath you, bring your right foot up. Left foot in front, slide this left foot to the center, bring this right leg up. Now go right back into the right. So from the side it looks like this. Out, center, out, center, out, center. From the other side, making sure to keep your legs as tight as possible to keep this movement clean and staying on the balls of your toes. So if you practice that move a lot, just practice it slowly for a long time until you get the muscle movement down. You want to focus on keeping your movements clean versus fast. So once you get that clean movement down, you'll slowly be able to speed up your pace to beats that you want to dance to. The best beats I find to use the running man for, you can use it for pretty much any beat. I usually try to step on the bass beat. So if you find like a slower song, especially when you're first starting, or even just practice without a song for a while until you get the clean movement and muscle memory down, you'll go to beats to where it's like the bass beat of like boom, 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 boom. So you always want to be hitting that front foot out on the bass line. So boom, 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 boom. Whenever you're doing the running man, some easy arm movements, you can kind of throw your shoulder forward with it. Shoulder, shoulder. So, just some simple arm movements. Shoulder, 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 shoulder. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have fun.